thing you can do from Pandas is I can create new data frames using only part of the data. So if I have a data frame that has tons and tons of columns, and I'm like, okay, that's too many. I just want to deal with the important ones here. Let's just get the name and the city from that data frame. All I'm going to do is I'm going to say new df equals, right? And then I'm going to say df, notice the set of brackets here. Okay, it's double bracketed because I'm using it's creating a subset from those things. That's what that means. And then I'm giving it the columns that I want to use. So I am starting with the old data frame. So I'm using df, and then I'm going to say, let's say state, oops, two brackets, there we go. State, and by the way, these are case sensitive, these columns. So you need to type them exactly. And then if I say new df, okay, there is my new data frame. It still has all 400 rows of data, but now I just have each person, the state they're from, and the number of pets. I can also include only certain rows. So this is how you include only certain columns. And if I want to filter it to only certain rows, I can say something like this: where age is greater than 35. So I'm using a data frame subset and getting the data frame age is greater than 35.